Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your data from your Mac to an external hard drive using Time Machine. To get started, you'll need an external SSD. Go ahead and connect that drive to your Mac using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Note that this drive needs to have enough space to hold your Mac's data. You can check your Mac's storage usage by clicking the Apple icon on the menu bar, then selecting System Settings. Go to General and click on Storage. As you can see here, my Mac is using nearly 500 gigabytes. So the backup drive must be larger than 500 gigabytes. Ideally, it should be about 4 times the size, or at least double, because it holds multiple versions of your backups over time. Before backing up, let's reformat the drive. Right-click the drive in the sidebar and select Erase. Keep in mind, this drive should be dedicated just for backups. Don't mix other files in here. If you need more details on formatting using Disk Utility, check out the link to my previous video in the description. Here, give it a name, choose the APFS format, and click Erase. Now the drive is clean and we are ready to start the backup. To begin, open System Settings again. Under General, find and click on Time Machine. In the Time Machine window, click the Add Backup Disk button. A window will pop up for you to select your drive. Then, hit Set Up Disk. You might see a notice if macOS recommends a larger drive, but if you have enough space, you can just proceed. The first option is Encrypt Backup. This adds password protection for security. To keep it simple, I'll toggle this off. For Disk Usage Limit, you can set it to None to use the full drive, or Custom if you want to limit how much space it uses. Finally, click Done. The backup process will start now. The first time takes a while, depending on how much data you have. Usually, it takes about 30 minutes to an hour. You can keep doing other work while it runs. You can also click Options for more settings. For example, you can set the backup frequency to every hour, day, or week. There's also Backup on Battery Power if you want it to run even when your Mac isn't plugged in. Next, if there are folders you don't want to back up, click the plus icon to exclude them. For instance, I have a data folder that I already back up to Google Drive, so I don't need it here. I'll add it to the excluded list. Once the backup is successful, you'll see the remaining storage and the time of the next backup. When the drive is connected, it'll automatically back up in the background. From the second time onwards, it runs much faster, because it only backs up changes made since the last time, not everything. So, what is the point of this backup file? First, if your Mac crashes or you need to reinstall everything, you can use Migration Assistant to restore your data. I'll share how to do that in another video. But right now, let me show you a simple way to use Time Machine to understand its value. Let's say during work, you accidentally delete an important file, and it's not even in the trash. How do you get it back? We will use Time Machine like this. Go to the folder where that file used to be before it was deleted. With the Finder active, open Time Machine using Spotlight, that is, Command Space. The Finder window turns into a timeline showing your backup versions. Use the arrows on the right to go back to the time before the file was deleted. Select the file, click the Restore button, and boom, it's back. Because of this, when you use Time Machine to back up your Mac, you never have to worry about accidentally deleting files. You can always recover them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.